So, you're wondering how to make a cool collage on Snapchat? No worries. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. It's super simple, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be making fun collages in no time. Alright, first things first. Grab your phone, open up Snapchat, and head to the search bar. You can find it right at the bottom of the app. It's that little magnifying glass icon, and it's your best friend when you want to quickly find things in the app. Now, once you're in the search bar, you're going to type in Gallery Collage. Snapchat has tons of hidden gems like this that you can discover just by searching, and the collage feature is one of them. As soon as you type that in, you'll see a few options pop up. Scroll down a bit and look for the one that says Collage. Tap on it, and voila, you're in. Now, here comes the fun part. You're going to see an option to either add a photo from your gallery or take a new one. This is where you get to be creative. Maybe you want to put together a bunch of photos from a recent trip, or maybe you want to create a collage of your pets, whatever you like. If you've already got photos saved in your phone that you want to use, just tap on the ones you want to add. Or if you're in the moment and want to snap some new pictures, go ahead and take them right there in the app. You can mix and match, too. Feel free to get creative. You can adjust the layout, move the photos around, and really customize the collage to look exactly the way you want. It's all about having fun and expressing your style. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.